Yeah, guys, so I used that cleaner. It took off, I think it took off some of it. Anyway, yeah, that's the problem with a lot of O2 sensors. They're like super tight, um, and that's because a lot of people don't use anti-seize. They don't use anti-seize on. This is what happens. This car is from 2010. I mean, it's not that old of a car. This is the original. This is the original. I don't think it's ever been changed, and I don't know why. Toyota probably should have just used a lot more anti-seize on the O2 sensors, because now if I can't get this back on, there's a good chance that, I mean, I heated this up. I used a torch on it. I used PB Blast on it. It still would not come off. It was absolutely seized. So after I used the torch on it, you know, I used a lot of force to take this off, and I don't know how else I could have done it, to be honest with you. I mean, let it soak overnight. That's not in PB Blast. With PB Blaster, I don't think so. But if I'm not able to get this back on, hopefully I can get this back on. But if I'm not able to, there's still some threads left on here. If I'm not, I'm gonna put some anti-seize. This is not the first situation. This is a common situation with O2 sensors. They should definitely put a ton of anti-seize on there. I've run into so many situations like this where it is very difficult to take this off, and you guys can see the amount of I mean, it got to the point where it was actually rounding off the edges on here. That's how tight this was on there. But anyway, my other situation is I have about four of these left. I mean, just trying to find the right one for these is ridiculous. It's just ridiculous on eBay, just trying to find the correct one. I mean, this O2 sensor wasn't the issue, but since I was working on it anyway, I was thinking maybe I should just change it up. In retrospect, maybe I shouldn't have. But hindsight is 2020, particularly with situations like this. It is what it is, guys. I'm gonna screw it back on, and I'll let you guys know whether I was able to screw this back on.